Okay, let's try not to kill ourselves today. Hey cheap bitches, I'm Rob and this is On the Cheap Tip, and today is Thursday DIY, where I show you something that enriches your life or just makes you laugh when I fail doing it. This my shit. Now most of you guys know that I am a hip-hop dancer in my everyday life, and along the years I've learned a couple of moves. I figure, why don't I show you how to do one today? It's called the baby freeze. If you want to learn, or if you just want to watch me do it, keep watching if you're interested, or if you haven't shut this video off already. Let's get started. Now I do want to say before we start, if you have any injuries at all, I say speak to a doctor before doing any kind of crazy stunts. I also want to say I am not responsible if you hurt yourself. I am not there to see what your form is, so really pay attention so that you do not hurt yourself. And if you do hurt yourself, you can't sue me. I hope that sticks in court. Now whenever you're starting this move, you want to do it on a surface that is cushiony, like a rug or a thick mat, because you probably are going to fall the first couple times that you do this. Just saying. So the first thing that you're going to do is get into a little bit of a frog squat, and your heels are going to be up, so this is what it looks like from a side view. Then you're going to take your arm, whatever arm is your strongest arm. Mostly people are stronger with their right, so I'm going to take my right elbow and stick it into my gut, right underneath my rib cage, and I'm going to place my hand down on the ground. The hand faces back. You want to make sure that you kind of lock this, because this is a lot of support. It's going to feel weird. Then you're going to take your other hand and do the same thing on the opposite side of the thigh. So this is on one side, and this is on this side of the thigh. You also want to make sure that your hands are mirror images of each other. They don't want to be turned in like this, they want to be turned out, fingers out for support. As you're doing this, you're going to extend your left leg if you were facing me. Your head to toe ratio is straight. What you want to feel is your elbows kind of pushing into your body and your thigh kind of pushing back. It's physics, people. This is building a little bit of a shelf for your thigh to sit on as you go over into the freeze. Now, if you feel at any time while we're doing this, you're losing your stability, grab your hands and roll out of it. This is super important because you can break your fingers if you roll over them. So we're on our toes, hand goes here, leg out, head to toe is straight, and then you're just gonna fall. Let that foot go, and you're gonna fall onto the temple of your head. You do not want to go onto the side of the face. You do not want to go onto the top of the head. You just want to slowly fall onto the temple, because that's a nice hard part where you're not gonna like mess yourself up. One more time, here we go. Woo! Ugh. Should I try it on the other side? Same thing, so I'm gonna get into a squat position. Hand goes here, other hand mirroring each other, leg out, and fall. Remember, don't put the cheek down. It's on the temple of the head. Woo! All that blood's rushing to my head. To say that you will get this right away may not really happen. If you don't get it the first time, keep trying. Well, that's my whole tip, and I hope that you liked it. And if you did, I want to see you try it. Send me a clip of you doing it on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, even YouTube, and tag me at On The Cheap Tip, all one word. And I want to see if you can do this. So good luck. And as always, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below, and also make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that alarm button so you know when my next video goes live. And I'll see you next time. Bye. I can't get the frog out of my throat. I probably just always sound like this. Let's get real. This is useless knowledge. You just want to watch me fail miserably, like I'm doing in life. I don't know, did I say anything right? I don't know. Bye.